Good evening. The government has announced new measures in a bid to tackle a shortage of baby milk formula. Now, these include making sure there's adequate supply throughout the Lunar New Year and encouraging consumers to complain about retailers engaging in unscrupulous practices. Temily Tianmei reports.
Local mothers have been growing anxious over the shortage of baby milk formula. Some have blamed grey goods traders for snapping up the items and selling them across the border. Today, the government announced that new measures will be taken at both supply and retail levels to ensure local needs are met. These include a commitment from suppliers that local demand will be met through the Lunar New Year period, while assuring all local consumers that they can obtain baby milk formula through telephone hotlines and websites of suppliers. A price stabilization mechanism will also be put in place. Action will also be taken against retailers engaging in illegal practices.
If there are other undesirable practices, the consumers reported to the suppliers. The supplier will look into the situation and, depending on the situation, take appropriate measures. These measures might include warning, restriction of supply, and even cessation of supply.
And what about suggesting to follow Macau's example, where the government takes a central coordinating role?
We also take note that the situation in Macau is different from Hong Kong in several aspects, and we all have a consensus that the set of measures that we have agreed today, as a matter of consensus, would be more appropriate to the Hong Kong situation for the time being.
The Consumer Council, for its part, appealed for calm.
We would also encourage and also urge all the consumers in Hong Kong don't run into this irrational move. Reasons being, it is a bad cycle. If you're running into it, that means the price will go up further. So we hope everyone will maintain to be rational.
Meanwhile, a major baby milk formula supplier we talked to today said supply was not an issue.
We understand that the trend of growing in demand is actually continuous. It's just that this few weeks we see a surge. But since that we keep very close contact with our supply chain, so that the supply increase right now is very smooth. We don't see any issues in supplying this increase in demand.
Beginning this week, some milk suppliers will begin taking online orders from local mothers to meet the surge in demand for milk. Temily Tianmei, TVB News.